Why am I crying? My God. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna try something new today. So basically, I am getting this feeling that you guys love it when I try things with you. So the last time I posted a video about me cutting my fringes, you guys loved it. I'm getting a lot of feedbacks for that. So I thought like I'll do something else which you can do at home. So basically now as it's Corona and everything, how's my hair? Looks like a Mickey Mouse bow, right? Yeah. Okay. So as it's Corona, you cannot really go to the parlor for everything. So that which is why I posted a video on cutting the fringe first, and now I'm gonna do some home waxing. I hope this turns out good because I've never done this before, and I usually shave, but this time I thought I'll just try waxing because why not? You should try everything. And also it'll be helpful for you guys. So I bought this chocolate wax from Amazon. What you have to do is it's you have to like heat it for a while and then make the consistency thin, so that you have to like apply very thin layer on your skin, so that when you rip it off it will be easier. Grown my hair, if you can see. I don't think you can see, but it is there. The thing is, I didn't shave for like 2 weeks now because I wanted to do this video. So yeah, here we go. So I have the strips which also I got from Amazon. I'll be putting all the links below in the description box if you want to buy it. It's very affordable. I think the wax with the strips were like less than 300 rupees, so it's very affordable. But if you go to a parlor and do it, it's very expensive, and also you can't really go to the parlor now. So okay, so this is the thing that I bought from Amazon. So I'll show you guys what it is. It is like a chocolate base. Okay, it's like a chocolate flavored body care wax. I'm doing this for the first time, okay? I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. So let's see. Hair remover for arms, underarms and legs, okay? I've put the water for boiling. It's boiling, so I'm just gonna keep this directly here. Yeah. So make sure you don't heat it directly. Don't do that. You can do this double boiling method. If you have that wax boiling pot, you can use that. Okay, so let's open it and see. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's still thick. Okay, I have to boil it some more then. And yeah, the consistency is fine now, so I'm gonna do it. Okay. Yeah. I'm using the fork because I don't have a blunt knife, so please bear with this. So what you have to do is, before all this, you have to like powder your skin because you don't want to rip your skin off. So let me take the powder first. So I'm gonna use this. That's a lot. Okay. Why is it like off? Okay. Okay, it's not hot. Yes, yeah. Now you have to do this. If you have a blunt butter knife, you can use that. But I don't have a butter knife, so I'm using this fork. I think you have to apply it on the to the direction of the hair growth, according to the direction of the hair growth. So yeah. Okay, now I have this. I'm gonna do this. Okay, God, please help me. Okay, basically you have to pull it this way because the hair growth is down. So you have to pull it to the opposite direction is what I know. Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It is bad. Okay, it is bad. For a second it was not bad because it was numb. Now I'm getting the feeling. Okay, you can see my whole hair here. Okay, but then I don't know if you can see. It's like very light. But the hair is coming off easily. Okay, can you guys see this? The hair. Yeah, those are my hair. Yes. That is the area where I waxed, and this is the area I didn't wax. Oh, I have goosebumps because of the pain. My God. Make sure it's not hot when you apply it, okay? Make sure you apply the powder before all this, because otherwise it'll be very painful. Huh? Okay, I think shaving is good. But yeah, but the thing is, when you shave, you will get the hair back in like 2 days. But when you wax, it stays for a week at least. It depends on your hair growth. Okay, yeah, it depends on your hair growth. Why am I crying? My God. The lighting in this video is gonna be funny because it keeps changing. Hand is almost done. I'll just wash it and come back. That's about it. I think this wax is much better than the ready-made wax strips that you get. This one is less painful, but it's a lot more effort. You have to heat the wax and make it thin, and then you have to apply it, and lot more than this. This is actually easier, but if you're okay with a little more pain, then this will be easier option. But I'll show you, like, have you seen this? I'm sure you have seen this, right? So the strips are like this. So it's like, it comes like this, so you have to like open it, and then you can like apply it, and yeah. So the strip material, it actually sticks on to your skin a little bit more, so when you rip it, your skin is also getting that. Yeah, it might burn your skin. I've tried it once and it actually burnt my skin, so be careful with that. This one is actually good because the strips that you get with it, it's much more I think it has a lot more cotton in it. Like, I don't know what do you call this material, I have no idea, but the strips, it won't stick to your skin directly, it just sticks onto your hair, so it won't pull your skin that much. So yeah, and it's very affordable. Or you can actually shave, that's the easiest way out. But so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know if you want me to try more things like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy.